Hi, today we'll discuss one important interview question that is frequently asked about inheritance and object oriented concept. As you can see my screen, I have created one class as a gift. And you can see there are two more classes that pen and book that are inheriting from the gift class. So a pen or a book can be a gift. That is why I'm using the gift class as a parent class, and the pen and book class are the children classes. So the child class can have its own attributes that specifies the child, and it can have all the attributes from the parent. All right, so a pen will have a brand and color that specifies the pen, and also a gift id. This is the property it is inheriting from its parent class. Same goes for the book class. That is fine. This is the structure of the classes. Now let's come to the main method. The interview question will be generally like this. Um, Parent class object is equal to new child class, and second line is child class object is equal to new parent class. So the interviewer will generally write this code down similar to this, and he will ask you, will the code below will compile, will it run, will it have any problem, or it is all right code. What do you think? All right, so let's uncomment the code and check how it is working. Okay, let's compile the code. So the code is not compiling, it is giving some error. If you put a cursor over here, it will explain the error. Cannot implicitly convert type gift to pain. An explicit conversion exists. Are you missing a cast? Now what does that mean? It does not give any error for the first line. At the first line, what we are going to do is we are trying to put a child object into a parent type of reference type. Okay, so child type is going into a parent type, and this thing is working fine. Here we are doing complete reverse. Here we are trying to put a parent type into a reference of a child type, and this is giving compilation error. Now why it is behaving like that, right? So as you can see, when we create a new child object, it is okay to assign it to a parent type, but the parent type object cannot be assigned to a child type. Now you can remember this thing as you can imagine, like parent is something a big entity and child is something that is a smaller entity. So a smaller entity can fit into a bigger entity, but a bigger entity cannot fit into a smaller entity. Now this is the trick that you can use to remember about this interview question, that how you can answer this, which line of the code will compile and which will not. Now next thing interviewer can ask you is how you are going to make this line compilable. All right, so you want to create a gift object that is a parent type object, and you want to fit that into a child type object. Is it even possible? The answer is yes, it is, and you need a typecast conversion to do that. Now, what does that mean? It means that the gift, when you create a new gift object, it will have only this ID property. But the pen object requires two more properties, brand and color. When you say a new gift, then those two properties are missing, and without those two properties you cannot complete the pain object. That's right. So that is why you need to typecast this, specifying the explicit type into which you want to convert your gift. Now, here compiler understands that you are creating a gift object, but you also want to this gift to be treated as a pain, right? So you are specifically telling the compiler that this is going to be a pain object, and that is why it allows you to assign it to a pain object. All right, now whatever this line on the right hand side is creating will be a complete object of this class type pain. So I hope this thing is clear to you and you will be able to answer your interviewer. Thank you.